Chào cả nhà. Hey guys, I'm Nina. Welcome to SoSimYum kitchen. You know, I have been standing here for the whole morning trying to make this video. I don't know why I'm so nervous when nobody is home. I am just talking to myself in front of the camera, but I'm so nervous that I keep on retake after retake. God, I'm so nervous right now. But anyway, today I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you so much to all for your love and support. SoSimYum had reached 100 subscribers, and as a thank you token, I would like to share with all of you my mother-in-law favorite condiment is called Vegetarian Saté, also known as vegetarian chili oil. In Vietnamese we call it Saté Chay. So enjoy! Vietnamese Saté normally has shrimp paste in it. Therefore the flavor is quite amazing. So how do we make our vegetarian version to have that unami flavor without using the shrimp paste? The secret ingredient is cự đà, ground soybean sauce, tương cự đà. Let's get started, shall we? At this time, we need to turn the heat down to low because we are adding chili powder and flakes, so we don't want to burn them. We also need to stir the mixture constantly to prevent the chili from getting burnt. For vegetarian lovers, it is like magic when we add just a little bit of vegetarian satay into our food, especially noodle bowls. For example, vegetarian spicy noodle, also known as Bún Huế Chay, or vegetarian Nha Trang Noodle in Vietnamese is Bún Nha Trang Chay. Actually, this condiment is for spicy eaters. Just like my hubby, Mr. Pham, he adds this spicy baby into everything. Oh, did I say spicy? Oh yes. This vegetarian chili oil is extremely spicy, so have a small taste before adding the amount into your food.